Hey dear data enthusiast, welcome back to my channel where we turn data into magic. Today we are learning about one of the simplest but powerful tools in SQL, the order by statement. It is like the GPS for your data, guiding it into perfect order. Ready to dive in? Let's go.
First of all, what is the order by statement? The order by statement is your go-to for sorting your data, whether alphabetically, numerically, or even by date. Here is the basic syntax. The syntax for order by is select and you choose the columns and you specify the columns that you want to display on your results, and from your table, and you specify the table name and you use the order by statement, order by. Then you order it by the column name, whether you want to use column 1 or column 2 or column 3. You can use you can use as much columns as you want, and you can sort them in ASC, which is in ascending order, and this is the default order. So in the process that you use order by and you did not specify if it is ASC, which is ascending order, and then DSC, which is sorting in descending order, by default the order by uses ASC, which is ascending order. So without further ado, now let's create a database and see it in action. So let me go to my Visual Studio Code where I wrote my query, and let me copy the first step of creating our table. Let me copy and paste it here. But before that, I think I have a table on my database called employee. So let me drop it first. Drop table named employee. I don't want to contradict this lecture, so let me drop it first before creating table called employee again. So let me drop it, highlight and execute. So I've successfully dropped the table. So now let's create a table called employees. So let me highlight it and then execute it. So we've created a table called employee. The next step is to populate our data. So let me go to my Visual Studio Code and take the next step. Let me copy this, highlight, copy, Control C, and let me go to Microsoft SQL. Let me pull these ones down. So let me paste. So let me populate. I'm going to be inserting 5 rows into our table we just created. So let me highlight and execute. Done. We have got a mini database of employees to work with. Now let's sort this data. First, let's look at all employees sorted by their salary in ascending order. So let me show you the full table first before we do that from employee. One thing you should know that SQL is not case sensitive. So I like using, instead of using capital letter and small letters, I like using small letter to make my writing my query. So you say select all for us to see our full data set in our table. Let me select all from employees, execute. So you can see that we'll have employee ID, name, job title, and salary. So now let's use order by. So I'll use select all, push this thing a little bit up, name, job title, and salary from employee. Then we use our order by statement. Order by, we're going to order it by salary in ascending order. So let's highlight our query to test our order by statement. So highlight it and see, highlight it and execute. And you can see that it order our salary in ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. So for we to verify, let me run these two queries, the original data set and the order by salary. So you can see the original data set started from 85,000, 75, 65, 72. By using order by salary in ascending order, we are getting 65, 67K, 72K, 75K, 85K. You see how the salary are lined up from the lowest to the highest. That's the power of order by. So what if we want the highest paid employee to appear first? Easy, just switch to descending order like this. So let me switch it to descending order. So let me highlight it. Boom, now Alice with the highest salary is at the top of the list. Cool, right? But wait, there's more. What if two employees have the same salary? Let's add a second sorting rule. Sort by name alphabetically when salaries are tied. So let's write the same query. Let's use the same query and sort by name too. Let's use ascending, and let's sort by name, ascending. Let's run our query. Now employee with the same salary are sorted alphabetically by their names. A nice clean list.
And there you have it, the order by statement in SQL. It is your ultimate tools for organizing data like a pro. Try it with your data set and let me know in the comment section. What creative way are you using order by? Also, if you're enjoying this series, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so that I don't miss out on the next episode. Until next time, keep querying like a pro. Peace out.